In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram to your TikTok. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up Instagram and go to your profile itself. And from here, what you need to do is just tap the share profile option on here and then find this copy link tab just like so. As soon as you copy that link, you'll be good to go. What you need to do now is just open up TikTok. And once you're on TikTok, go ahead and go to your profile. Just go ahead and select edit profile on here. And then from here, just scroll down a little bit. You're going to see a tab specifically for links. Choose that. And then of course, go ahead and add the website or URL section and just paste your Instagram link in here. Mine's currently using my YouTube, so I'm just going to leave it like that. But it really is as simple as that. Whenever you go back to your profile, your Instagram link is going to show up kind of where my YouTube link is showing up currently. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help us out, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.